Hi, explorers! Lenny the Lens is back for a brand new mission. We are looking for things that zoom, vroom, and fly. Can you guess what it is, detectives? Let's go! Mystery number 1. This vehicle is bright red and always has a very important job to do in the city. It has many cabinets on the side to hold special tools. Can you guess what it is, detectives? Here's a hint. It has a very loud siren and a silver ladder that reaches all the way to the roof. It's a fire truck. Fun fact, did you know that a long time ago, fire trucks were actually pulled by horses? The firefighters even had spotted Dalmatian dogs to help keep the horses calm and clear the path. Mystery number 2. This vehicle doesn't have any wheels, and it doesn't travel on a road or a track. Can you guess what it is, detectives? Here's a hint. It uses big engines to blast off away from Earth and go all the way up to the moon. It's a space rocket. Fun fact, to get into space, a rocket has to travel 20 times faster than the speed of sound. That is so fast that you could go from New York to London in less than 20 minutes. Mystery number 3. This vehicle loves to drive through deep mud and can even jump over other cars. Can you guess what it is, detectives? Here's a hint. It has 4 giant, bouncy wheels that are much taller than a person. It's a monster truck. Fun fact, the most famous monster truck ever is named Bigfoot. It was built over 50 years ago by a man who just wanted a truck with really big tires to go camping. Great job, detectives! But wait, I'm visiting a busy construction site, and things are changing right before our eyes. Can you find the 3 differences? Did you find them? Let's see. The barriers changed from red to purple. The excavator turned from yellow to red. And the porta-toilet changed from blue to green. Wow, you have amazing detective eyes. Let's get back to the game. Mystery number 4. This machine lives at construction sites and uses a powerful metal arm to move heavy rocks and pipes. Can you guess what it is, detectives? Here's a hint. It has a big sharp scoop at the end of its arm for digging giant holes in the dirt. It's an excavator. Fun fact, the world's biggest excavator is as tall as a 30-story building. It is so huge that it takes a whole team of people just to drive it. Mystery number 5, our last one. This flies high in the sky, but it doesn't have a propeller, wings, or an engine. Can you guess what it is, detectives? Here's a hint. It has a giant, colorful bag and a basket for people to stand in. It's a hot air balloon. Fun fact, the very first passengers to ever fly in the sky weren't people. They were a sheep, a duck, and a rooster. They took a 10-minute flight over France a long time ago. Final challenge. I am playing hide and seek in my super garage. There are tools, tires, and even race cars. But where am I hiding? Can you guess where I am, detectives? Can you find me? Did you see me? Look closely. There I am! Great job, detectives! You are master detectives. You found all the vehicles and you found me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join Lenny the Lens on our next big mission. See you next time, explorers!